In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a resume in Canva. Before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Creating a resume using Canva is a straightforward and cost-effective process that empowers job seekers to craft visually appealing and professional CVs in a matter of minutes. With a vast array of over 10,000 customizable templates, Canva offers a versatile platform suitable for individuals from all walks of life. Begin your resume building journey by navigating to Canva's homepage and initiating a search for resume in the search bar. The extensive template library spans diverse industries, catering to various preferences and needs. While most templates are available free of charge, some exclusive options may require a Canva Pro subscription. Once you've selected the template that resonates with your career aspirations, it's time to put your unique stamp on it. Click Customize this template to access the template editor, which offers complete control over every element. Modify text by simply double-clicking on the text box, allowing you to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to align with your personal style. Canva simplifies the design process by enabling you to effortlessly manipulate elements such as lines, shapes, and more. Customization is at your fingertips. Tweak colors, types, and positions to create a resume that reflects your personality and professionalism. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. You can enhance your resume further by incorporating additional elements from Canva's vast resource library. Whether it's icons, graphics, or shapes, you have the creative freedom to embellish your CV as desired. Don't forget to save your progress regularly to present your polished resume in a universally accessible format. Download it as a PDF. For those aiming to infuse a touch of creativity into their CVs, Canva offers templates adorned with captivating visual elements. Adding a personal photo is a breeze. Simply navigate to Uploads and import your image. Drag and drop it onto the template, then finesse the size and placement until it aligns perfectly with your vision. With your resume now complete, save it and obtain the PDF version, ideal for forwarding to potential employers. Canva's user-friendly interface and extensive toolkit empower job seekers to create stylish, standout resumes that leave a lasting impression in the competitive job market. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.